This chart shows the budget for the National Park Service over the past several years. And this is the proposed gutting of the Park Service budget put forth by the House Interior Appropriations Committee, a $433 million cut. This comes at a time when national parks are seeing record visitation numbers and a significant backlog of park maintenance projects. So how would cuts to the NPS budget affect national parks, and what does this mean for its visitors?
I was devastated and disappointed. Americans love our national parks. The National Park Service has 2,600 less staff than they did in 2011. The House of Representatives is proposing a cut that would cut that staffing level by another 1,000 staff.
The Park Service receives most of its funding from the federal government, and these funds go towards staffing, critical maintenance projects, and youth programs. NPS manages to do all this despite operating on a shoestring budget. Just 1/15 of 1% of the entire federal budget. These new proposed cuts would apply huge risks to the health and safety of our parks. We could see potential park closures, staff layoffs, and shortfalls in necessary supplies.
Certain areas of the park, like trails, may need to be shut down because they need maintenance, and the maintenance has been delayed because they don't have enough resources from Congress.
When maintenance projects are delayed for more than a year, they are placed into a category called deferred maintenance. In most cases, these projects are considered to be the bare minimum to make parks safe for its visitors. In 2022, NPS reported a total of $22.3 billion needed for deferred maintenance. Despite this backlog, national parks haven't seen a slowdown in visitation. In fact, visitation has steadily risen over the past 10 years.
So just think about how there's more people visiting and enjoying our national parks, yet there's not enough staff to make sure that our resources are protected, but also that our visitors have unforgettable experiences.
And national parks continue to be one of our most reliable investments, generating billions in revenue for local communities and creating hundreds of thousands of jobs. It's not hard to imagine what more could be done with proper investment.
Additional resources to the National Park Service would provide more seasonal rangers for those busy times in our national parks, provide more staff to address natural, cultural, and historic needs.
Especially as parks face increasingly more challenges, from the impacts of climate change to the threats of drilling and development on sacred land. It's more important than ever that we have a robust and well-funded park service.